Welcome back to DIY Gardening Ideas. When you think of perfect tomato, what comes to mind? Maybe you picture a vibrant red fruit, perfectly ripe and juicy. What if I told you that the secret to achieving that ideal tomatoes lies in an often overlooked nutrient? And that nutrient is calcium. Yes, you heard that right. Calcium. By adding this essential mineral to your soil, you can boost the health, growth, and overall quality of your tomato plants. In addition to its importance in plant growth, calcium also offers significant health benefits to tomato plants. As tomato plants absorb calcium, their cell walls become stronger, which makes them more resistant to diseases and pests. Calcium also helps prevent disorders such as blossom end rot, a condition that causes dark spot to develop on the bottom of tomatoes and renders them inedible. In order to ensure that your tomato plants are receiving the necessary nutrients for optimal growth and health, it is essential to incorporate calcium into your soil. Luckily, there are a number of ways to do so. One option is to use crushed eggshells, which are a great calcium source and provide added nutrients like magnesium and potassium. Simply wash and grind up the eggshells and add them to your soil before planting. Another option is to use calcium carbonate, also known as agricultural lime. This can be found at your local garden center or online and added directly to your soil. But in this video, we are going to use one of the simple and easily available calcium source, that is a chalk. Chalk is fine grained white limestone. On average, it consists of calcium carbonate. Chalk is usually white or light gray in color. It is extremely porous, permeable and soft. Just bury a half piece of chalk near the roots of tomato plants so the roots can easily absorb the calcium from the piece. Or you can break a small piece of chalk and put that chalk into your watering system. That chalk will dissolve in water and give a great amount of calcium to your plants so they can be saved from blossom end rot and other conditions. If you like our video, please subscribe and share it with your friends and family. Thanks.